Welcome to Sekumpul Waterfall, a hidden gem nestled amidst the lush rainforests of Bali, Indonesia. This majestic waterfall, cascading down a rocky cliff into a crystal-clear pool, offers a breathtaking spectacle that will leave you in awe of nature's raw power and beauty. Embark on an adventurous trek through the verdant jungle and discover the enchanting beauty of this secluded waterfall, where tranquility and adventure converge. Despite its remote location, Sekumpul Waterfall is a sanctuary of tranquility. The gentle sounds of the cascading water, the rustling of leaves in the breeze, and the symphony of birdsong create a serene atmosphere that invites you to escape the worries of the world. If you enjoyed this journey through Bali's wonders, do us a solid favor. Hit that subscribe button so we can keep sharing more amazing adventures together. And don't forget to spread the love. Share this video with your pals who need a little Bali magic in their lives. Stay curious and keep exploring.